how to make your backyard cozier in the winter. We don't think about spending as much time on the back porch with a good book and a relaxing drink when it's chillier out. Therefore, it's easy to let your backyard fall into a state of neglect when the days start getting shorter and the outside temperatures start getting colder. However, there are several ways on how to make your backyard cozier in the winter so it can accommodate outdoor fun. Gather around the fire. One of the best ways to relax and stay warm when you're outside is to build yourself a fire. Fire pits are a popular backyard addition, and whether you choose an above or in-ground fire pit, you can gather around the flames come wintertime. Backyard fires are great for hosting, having conversations, telling stories, making s'mores, and all other sorts of backyard activities. Some people just enjoy the warm crackling of the flames. Overall, a fire pit is a popular and cozy way to warm up a chilly backyard evening. Take a nice warm soak in the spa. Another great way to stay warm in the winter months while still enjoying the fresh air is to install and take a dip in your own personal spa. Some people install above-ground hot tubs, which are practical and easy to move when they're not in season. However, if you already have a pool, there are many reasons to install a spa to get even more use out of it, especially in the winter months. Hot tubs are great for hosting, but they're relaxing whether you're with friends or just taking a soak by yourself. Cuddle up in a garden room. Garden rooms are a growing trend in backyards and a great way to make yours cozier in the winter. These round, igloo-like structures feature clear walls and maintain a comfortable warmth and humidity indoors. They function similarly to greenhouses, but they usually also feature chairs and end tables to accompany the flowers or crops growing inside. Garden rooms allow you to spend time outdoors and admire nature while relaxing in an atmosphere that's perfect for reading, doing puzzles, or trying other comfortable activities. Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean you can't enjoy spending time in your own backyard. Take full advantage of your living space year-round by considering some of these warm and relaxing additions that will make you appreciate the chillier season more.